Making $340,000 with only 20 minutes of work, that just sounds crazy. This is a poop pill. And it's on the TikTok shop for like 20 bucks. You simply make a video, link the product, get a sale, and you get paid. Now this entire thing started when I was on TikTok and I saw this video. It was some normal dude just chilling in his car with some poop pills. So I'm looking into his video even more and he brought in 340K. That's like 10,000 a day he was making. Look at this. It's just, bruh.
Guys, please do not buy this supplement off the TikTok shop. This will flush all the toxins out of your body. You're gonna have way too much energy. Your skin is going to be way too clear and you're going to be too productive. So if you want to get one before they run out, I'm going to drop a link in the bottom left. Go get one while you still can.
And he looks like a high school kid selling poop pills out of his mom's car. This is insane. And what's more insane is when you actually see the views this got. 5 million on TikTok. And the whole video was just an advertisement for this product and he made a crap ton of money. See what I did there? So I go to this website called Data where you can look up products. You can find pretty much everything listed on the TikTok shop. And the #1 product right now is the same one he's promoting. So I look into the product even more and over $7 million of this product have been sold in the last 3 months. If you scroll down just a little bit more, you can see that this guy is literally the top video on this product. So how much profit did he actually make off of this 335K? I'm gonna put $335,610. Yep. The exact same thing that he made. Keep in mind, this product is 25% commission, which is just, that's actually really high. Multiply this by 0.25. Bruh. My guy just upgraded from this car to a brand new BMW i8. That's how much he made. That just, give me a break. So now I'm thinking, okay, you know what? I want to replicate this. I want to do the same exact thing because it looks so easy. So I decided to reverse engineer this video so we can literally replicate it and do the same exact thing. The first thing that he did was he went to Data, obviously, and he found one of the top trending products. So if you're picking one of these, like the Guru Nanda, for example, you guys have all seen this. This one was popping. Obviously the poop pills, and then we also got this Himalayan stuff. All of these are killing it. All right, this is just kind of weird. Body juice. I don't even want to know how that thing's made. So you want to find one of these top products, pick one, then start making a video on it. Now the next step is usually going to Amazon and you can actually buy the product, but like I'm looking for it. I literally cannot find this thing on Amazon. Like I scrolled through so many pages. And I think that's why this actually popped off on TikTok because a lot of people, they'll end up going to Amazon and just buying it there for the fast shipping. But because you can't find it on Amazon, everyone was like forced to buy it on TikTok. So it just went crazy. So I recommend you guys either buy the product on Amazon if it's there or get it on TikTok shop expedited so that you can start making videos as soon as possible. So we're gonna hop on the phone and actually do one of these live. Before you actually start making videos, you need to know that your account has to have TikTok shop enabled. That means over 5,000 followers, or you can do a 0 follower method. And the cool part is there's now a way where you can do TikTok shop outside the United States. So if you want to learn how to do it with 0 followers or out of the US, link in the description and I teach you guys how to do it. Let's dive into this. Yo, this is so weird. I have like 2 screens going, but anyways, first things first, you need to get the product in real life. So you found this on Amazon, wherever you got it, you have it. Second off, you need to get good lighting. So I recommend, like, I'll show you guys. I just have these, right? Super simple. I got them at Target, 10 bucks. It makes your skin look nice. But we also need a comment reply. Okay, we need something on the screen because this dude had a comment reply. It actually popped off and comment replies are really good. So I'm actually going to go down and like, let's just go to some video. And usually you want to find a comment reply that's like about the product from a previous video, but I'm just going to use this one as an example. We're going to put this to 60 seconds and yeah, we're ready to go. All right, here's the behind the scenes. Oh geez, okay. So remember, this guy at the start of the video, he was doing reverse psychology. He had a hook that once again, it was not anything like an advertisement, right? It seemed like a video that you would see on your For You page. So because of that, I need to come across super chill, right? Just like myself talking, not like an advertisement. I'm not going to sit there for $19.99. You can get the 15-day, like no one cares, right? So because of that, we're going to make it super chill and also reverse psychology. So if you've seen this 15-day cleanse on the TikTok shop, do not buy this thing. So I started taking it like a week ago and it is just way too strong. Well, I just looked at this camera. All right, so we got the hook out of the way, right? We hooked them in saying, do not buy this, reverse psychology. People are like, yo, what? Why would I not buy it? I've actually seen this thing all over the place. Now we're actually gonna do the meat and potatoes part, right? This is the main part of the video that's super important because you're essentially explaining the product, but in a way that people are interested and they wanna keep watching the video. But I also wanna build rapport with them so that they trust me and they actually end up converting into a buyer at the end of the video. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna say. I'm going to tell the story about like how I felt after I started using this, right? When I was walking my dog and going to the gym. Okay, let's do it. So this thing is essentially a gut cleanse. It'll get all the toxins out of your body. And it's really weird because my skin just got like too clear. Plus, I just had too much energy, and when I was going to the gym, I felt like a superhero. Even when I was walking my dog, I had way too much energy. Even when I was walking my dog, I almost felt so alive that I was a little bit faster than him. This stuff really cleans out your gut, and I can't believe how crazy it works. And apparently we have so much bad stuff inside of us that we don't even realize. And I guess it's because we have so much waste just sitting inside of us that we never really get out. But this is the... And I guess it's because we have so much waste just chilling inside of us and we never really get it out. But this thing does the job, I'll tell you. All right, so that was the meat and potatoes part, right? I told a story, I told a little bit about the product, right? How it works, what it does for you, the benefits, but I said it in a way that was like intriguing, right? Adding some emotion to it, that's super key. And then most importantly, using that reverse psychology throughout it. Like I felt too alive, it was too much energy. What? I sound so stupid and people are probably commenting like this guy sounds like an idiot. Anyways, last part is the actual call to action. So let's add in that part. We need to essentially convert this viewer into a buyer. So we need to like really evoke scarcity inside of them, a sense of urgency, a sense of like, yo, I need to get this right now. So if you want to grab one, I tried to find it on Amazon. It's not there. The only place is on the TikTok shop. And they just sold out the other day, but they're back in stock. 500,000 already sold. So if you want to grab one, now's your chance. That literally took like 5 minutes to record. So next step, we're actually going to edit this video. So let's go ahead and chop it down. Usually what I do is like right at the start, I'll chop it, and then right at the end of each clip. So if you've seen this 15-day cleanse on the TikTok shop, do not buy this thing. Right at the beginning, a little bit at the end, and it makes it smooth, right? You want it to be like one run-on sentence so that people are always engaged. Not buy this thing. I just started taking this thing like a week ago, and it is way too strong. So this thing is essentially a gut cleanse. It'll get all the toxins out of your body. Nice. I'll tell you, if you want to grab one, I tried to find it on Amazon. It's not there. The only place is on the TikTok shop. My Boston accent's coming out. TikTok shop. Sound like an idiot. The TikTok shop. They just sold out the other... And cut the end a little bit. That's all we're doing. Just cutting the end, cutting the beginning, making it smooth. It's on the TikTok shop. They just sold out the other day, but they're back in stock. 500,000 already sold. So if you want to grab one, now's your chance. Look at that scarcity, yo. That is too good. That was... Well, one more time. Just watch this. They just sold out the other day, but they're back in stock. 500,000 already sold. So if you want to grab one, now's your chance. Right, evoking some scarcity, right? They just sold out the other day. They're back in stock. 500,000 sold. It's the hype factor. It's like, oh my God, these are selling out all the time. I need to grab one. You could definitely include too that, you know, they're selling out fast. Get one before it's gone, right? You could say that at the end of the video. You could say a lot of things. But anyways, the main point is you have the hook at the beginning. So if you've seen this 15-day cleanse on the TikTok shop, do not buy this thing. Do not buy this thing, right? In the middle, talking about like some experiences, showing how it works with the gut and gets all the crap out. At the end, selling them on it, making them actually want to buy it right now. I might actually post this video. This is actually a banger. So yeah, we just edited the whole video. I'm actually going to draft this. $13 or 11. Whoops. I'm going to draft it just in case anything happens. Last step, let's actually make it look kind of pretty. So we're going to put that there, right? And then we're going to add some text. This is your warning, just like that. Yeah, that's fire. This is your warning. and the key is, right, you want to use the word you. That's what I realized. When you use the word you, it makes people like feel like, you know, it's more personal, if that makes sense. So this is your warning straight on the screen. I'm balancing it out by putting it to the right side because like if I did it here, like that looks weird. Like that looks kind of weird. So stick it there, right? There's a lot on the screen now. It's a little bit too much, right? Maybe make this, I'll make this a little bit smaller. That's okay. I mean, I don't like it. Usually I have one or the other. Like I'll remove this and then just put this at the top that could still work, right? Maybe just a comment reply, that's okay. You know, but this dude, he did like double. I've never seen that before. So we're actually going to try it for this video, right? Put a little double action, you know, comment reply and the text. I never add music, by the way. I never add music on TikTok shop videos. Like sometimes they just like strike it down, stuff like that. But we're going to add in a caption. This is your warning. And then we're going to add some hashtags. So I usually do hashtag TikTok shop, hashtag 15-day gut cleanse or 15-day cleanse, hashtag supplement, and hashtag gut cleanse. Now the key is I always do hashtag TikTok shop, but the other ones I'll do it somewhat around the product. So like this is a gut cleanse, so I can do supplement, you know, pills, things like that. If I was doing it for like this thing, I would do plants, hashtag nature, hashtag fake plants, hashtag faux plants, stuff like that, right? And it's pretty much telling TikTok the audience of people that it's going to send it to. So once you do that, right, add a little cover. Once you add a cover, it makes it look so much cleaner. This is your warning. 15-day. All right, I'll put that, make it a little bit larger. Yeah, that's fine. That'll do the trick. Right, and actually, no, let's change it so I'm holding it. Yeah, just like that. Nice. And once again, you don't have to actually do it with your face in it if that's not what you want to do. You can do it without your face. Last thing, we actually need to add the product to it so people can buy it. So click on add link, product, and then you can go to product marketplace and pretty much just type it in, right? 15-day cleanse. Scroll around, find the product. Once you do, click on add, that big button that's red. And once you add it, you know, it'll show up right there. I'm not going to do it because I'm not going to post this video. But let's actually watch the whole thing from scratch and see how it looks. So if you've seen this 15-day cleanse on the TikTok shop, do not buy this thing. I just started taking this thing like a week ago, and it is way too strong. So this thing is essentially a gut cleanse. It'll get all the toxins out of your body. And it's really weird because my skin just got like too clear. Plus, I just had too much energy, and when I was going to the gym, I felt like a superhero. Even when I was walking my dog, I almost felt so alive that I was a little bit faster than him. This stuff really cleans out your gut, and I can't believe how crazy it works. I guess it's because we have so much waste just chilling inside of us, and we never really get it out. But this thing does the job, I'll tell you. So if you want to grab one, I tried to find it on Amazon. It's not there. The only place is on the TikTok shop. They just sold out the other day, but they're back in stock. 500,000 already sold. So if you want to grab one, now's your chance. So if you've seen this 15-day... Bada bing, bada boom. That's all you do. So you just click on post, and then it's going to show up on your profile. And yeah, you can start making some money. Okay, so I actually haven't earned anything yet on this account. I don't post on my main account, TikTok shop, but it would show up right here under the pending balance, and then you can just withdraw it to your bank account. And once again, if you're outside the United States, there's ways to do this, right? Everything is in the description. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you make a banger video. And once again, I mean, you can do it like this. Like I'm going to show you an example in a second where you can do it like this, and you don't even need to show your face like this guy, right? You just kind of show off the product. So there's multiple ways to do this. Like this is one of the videos I did. You guys have seen this. You know, you just show off the product in your house and you just talk the same exact thing that he did, but without the face. Then you just rinse and repeat that. But here is the key part. Now, what I'm about to show you is the same thing that Kanji is doing to make 220 bucks in commission on TikTok shop. I mean, these guys are all inside my community. Even Tyson, who made 240 bucks. This is crazy. And you want to know what these guys did? Instead of posting just videos like this or a video just like this guy did, they're actually doing live streams. Like, look at this. My guy, right, did a live stream for 36 minutes with this product. This is the 15-day gut cleanse. He made 26K in sales in 36 minutes. Like, it is crazy how easy it is to make money right now with TikTok shop, as long as you have the right guidance. Oh, this is amazing. I just found a video example of someone, give me a break. They're holding the product with like some Halloween nails, just showing it off. Oh my gosh. You want to know how much how much money this made? 197. Bro. She made $197,000 holding it up. She made $197,000 shaking the supplement in her hand. What? And if you want to learn even more, like I said, TikTok Mastery is in the description. Thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I will see you inside the community. Peace, y'all.